All right, so we're using Claude Code here, and we have a pretty cool project laid out here. It is an arbitrage between a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange. Well, on-chain Solana. So we've been tracking this arbitrage here for the last 20 hours to see if if it's actually viable. We've been running this spread monitor here, and essentially it's looking, okay, what is the arbitrage opportunity? Raw spread 0%, 0%. 0%. Okay. 0%, 0%. Long story short, it's been collecting and I had no hope in it, but it found 266 opportunities for true arbitrage, meaning buy one place, sell the other place. We're going to be using AMM pools in order to complete the arbitrage. This is super sick, and there's literally nobody on the internet that's going to show you how to do this. So I'm extremely excited. Let's go ahead in here and let's have her investigate. So yesterday you had me build out this, or you had me run this file of dex spread monitor. Can you confirm you can find that file? You can see there's 266 opportunities. What I want you to do is go ahead and analyze those opportunities, see what the best opportunities are, see if it's worth our time to build out a bot for this. We do have connection to Kraken. We do have connection to Solana. We can get it cracking, B. Go ahead and analyze those opportunities, do some data science, give me a nice report, as I am the data scientist and you are the data dog. Well, we're both data dogs. Regardless, go ahead and give me a report like we are a data science team here, so I can help analyze this with you, and then we can make a decision whether we build a bot for this or not. Okay, so this is sick because yesterday we set up this scanner, this spread monitor, to see if there was a spread available between the Kraken price and then the DEX, which is pump swap, the liquidity pools. So that's pretty cool. And you can see a lot of them this morning are not showing any arbitrages. You can see this raw spread is negative 5.1, 0.51, I mean. And this is what I was seeing when I launched it. So I was like, all right, I'll launch it. I'll launch it and let it ride. But I bet nothing's going to come from it. That being said, it found 266 opportunities. That's 266 trades it could have taken overnight. That's pure arbitrage. And arbitrage is where you're able to buy and sell in two different places at the same time to lock in an automatic profit. So we got her running through the spread log. I'm going to get some jumps in while she runs through the spread log. Let's go ahead and see what she comes up with, because if she's going, I'm jumping. Okay, so you can see here. Now, let me look at this data science, make this data science analysis with your collected data. Okay, thank you. That's going to be fire. I've got a lot in store today. So lock all the way in. Do not move a muscle, bro. We are going to absolutely build today. Okay, let's see here. Data science report. Okay, Moondev and Dr. Data Dog. Verdict, perfect 9 out of 9. Build this bot. So the numbers, 266 profitable opportunities over 22 hours of monitoring, 12.2 opportunities per hour. That's one every 5 minutes. Average profit is 3.65% after fees. Excellent. 41% of opportunities had 3% profit. Extremely profitable. Median profit, 2.83. Still great. The reality check, 79.7% directional bias. Buy on DEX, sell on Kraken. Kraken price consistently higher. This is a one-way market. You'll mostly be buying on DEX, selling on Kraken. 238 opportunities came in quick succession. Interesting. Opportunities cluster together, median. So if 238 came in quick succession, whatever that is, what does that mean? Like, in what time period? Yeah, can we see like when these time periods of each opportunity was? Because let's assume we can only do so many trades per arbitrage opportunity. Yeah, talk to me about that. Like, over the 22 hours, what hours were these happening? And yeah, what do you think about this time? Let's go ahead and see what she said here. So the 79.7, okay. Opportunities cluster together, median 11 seconds between them. Okay. Inventory management. You'll accumulate USDC on Kraken, run out of house on DEX. Bridge time is 30 to 60 seconds to move tokens between chains. Price correlation is not great. Markets are somewhat disconnected. This is a solid yes to build, but with some caveats. Keep inventory on both sides. Don't rely on bridging during opportunities. Start small. The one-way bias means you'll need to rebalance manually. That's okay. At 12 ops an hour times 3.65, that's $44 an hour in profit gross. Dev time is 1 to 2 days. Break even in 2 days of running. Okay, that's fire. That's fire, dude. This is so sick. So sick. 777 burner, Wishy, Freddy. Good to see you guys. Okay, so she's jitterbugging here. Let's see what else I can get going at that same time. Go over the deviation CSV for house coin. Okay, let's answer what she said here. Major insight, the real story. This changes everything. 89.5% happened in 1 hour. Damn. That's 238 opportunities, 60 minutes. They clustered into probably one massive 20-minute window. The largest single window had 113 opportunities lasting 20.6 minutes. Real trading windows, 21, not 266. Interesting. Okay, if you trade once per window, 21 trades over 8 hours, that's 2.65 windows per hour on average. But most actively, it's concentrated in the 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. UTC. Okay, so between 12 and 1 p.m., there was 238 opportunities. But look, there was more opportunities, 14, 7. Okay, rest of the day, nearly 0. This is not a 24/7 opportunity. It's time specific. That's fine. Conservative estimate, 21 trades. Realistic daily profits,